It's Monday, March 16th. We're going to start with a warm-up, and I know there was a little bit of confusion in my last video lesson. The warm-up is not required. You do not need to post pictures of your warm-up. It's literally just a warm-up for us to refresh what we did last time and get us ready for what we're about to do next. So you do not need to post pictures of the warm-up going forward. Okay, so in the last homework assignment, you were asked to either expand or condense a logarithm based on the logarithm properties. This is actually just like a precursor to what we're going to do next. So to refresh our memory, we're given log of 6 times 11. And we're told that if we're not given an explicit base, we're to assume that the base is 10. You don't have to write the 10 here. It's basically like an invisible 10. If they don't give it to you, you assume it's 10. The reason that's important is because we have to make sure that the bases are the same before we're allowed to apply any logarithm properties. Okay, so we're given log base 10 of 6 times 11. And I know, according to the logarithm rules, that I can expand a product by adding together two separate logarithms. So this is going to become log of 6 plus log of 11. Again, both base 10 here. Number 2, they're asking us to condense or make smaller. We're given 6 times the log base 3 of u plus 6 times the log base 3 of v. Again, always confirm that your bases are the same. In this case, my bases are 3, so we are good to go. First thing I'm going to do is recognize that we have a coefficient out front here of 6. I'm actually going to apply the exponent rule, take that 6 and move it to the exponent of u. And same with the coefficient 6 over here, move it to the exponent of v. In other words, both of these logarithms have coefficients, so both of these logarithms will get an exponent. This is going to become log base 3 of u to the 6th power plus log base 3 of v to the 6th power. And again, I'm going to apply another exponent property, logarithm property that says if I'm adding together two different logarithms, as long as I have the same base, which I do, I can condense them using multiplication. So this is going to become log base 3 of u to the 6th times v to the 6th. That's it. That's all I can do. In this case, u times v, those are not the same base, so I can't apply any exponent properties. I can't add these together, for example. U and v are two different bases. That's my final answer. Okay, that's it for the warm-up video. You will see the instructional video next.